Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can install and activate Astra theme in WordPress. So let's start the video. First of all, you need to go to the appearance and go to themes. Now click on the add new theme. You will find this search box. Just simply type Astra. You will find this. Click on install. It installed. Type on active. Now you have activated the Astra theme. For simply deleting another theme, click on this theme and click the delete button. For deleting this another theme, you will optimize your site's mode. It is gonna load your site faster. So that's for today. See you in the next video.